Hello, darlings. This is your Ed puzzle on mean, median, mode, range, and dot plots. Dot plots are also called line plots, by the way. So make sure you realize that your answers are all final, so you're careful with those. You need a sheet of scratch paper to write down the numbers and do all your scratch work. And for now, go ahead and type the integrity statement. You surveyed your classmates on the number of siblings they have, and here are their answers. You want to go ahead and make a list of all of their answers. So make a list of the numbers that are their answers. Next, you're going to, of course, do the math. What is the mean number of siblings? What is the median number of siblings? What is the mode number of siblings? And what is the range of siblings? What is the most common number of siblings? And how many more people have 3 siblings than 4 siblings? Next, you work for quality control in a pencil factory, and you're having issues with how many pencils end up in each box. Go ahead and write down your data. Find the mean number of pencils in each box. Find the median number of pencils in each box. Find the mode of the pencils in each box. And of course, find the range of pencils in each box. How many pencils do you think are supposed to be in each box? How many boxes have fewer pencils than they're supposed to? All right, I couldn't think of a level 8 question, so we're just going to give you a break from that. So congratulations, and I hope that you can breathe a sigh of relief with that as well. Have a great day.